Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here. Happy New Year 2021. This is the first video for this year. I want to teach you guys the move called the inward hook spin. So it's a part of the hook variations. I like it a lot, so I hope you guys gonna like it too, alright? But before I start, do remember to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you'll be the first one to get notified. Alright, now without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. Since it's a part of the hook, so I'm going to show you guys the basic hook. Alright, this is how the basic hook looks. I'm counterclockwise, so I love to use my right leg to my left leg. Alright, basic hook. There's also another version called the hook spin kick, which happened that I already did the tutorial before. I'm gonna put the link up here, you can check it out. It looks something like this. So today I'm gonna add in one more variation called the inward hook spin, okay? We're gonna start from the normal hook. So again, my right leg is gonna hook onto my left leg like this. Now from here, instead of moving to the left side, you're gonna turn into the right side. Alright? So you're gonna move your upper body to the right. Alright, place your left hand so you're not switching hand from your right to your left and turn. Now after turn, bring your left hand up and place your right hand back down to the ground. You are coming to your first pose again. Okay, one more time. Starting from the normal hook. Right, turn to the right side, switch hand, and switch hand again. It looks simple, but when you just try this out, you're gonna get stuck a lot because there are two things that you need to apply when you're trying doing this move. Alright, so now I'm gonna explain. The first one, you are turning or spinning using your left foot, alright, not your right leg. So when you look at the move itself, when people are trying to do this move, when you just briefly saw when people are doing it, it's like they're turning using their right knee or your right leg. That's totally wrong, alright? You are turning using your left foot. Look at this. So this is how it starts. Now look at my left foot. I'm gonna bring out my right leg a bit so you can see my left foot more clearly. Alright, when I spin, my left foot is up here, okay? So instead I'm using my whole foot, I just want to use this part here, the toe part. So it allows me to spin nicely. Hook, spin. Okay? Look at my foot. I'm spinning. Alright? So that's the first thing that you need to know. Now the second thing that you need to apply as well is when you're doing this move, try to lean more to the front. Okay? Don't try to do this move by leaning to the back. You can still doing it, but I feel that when you lean in more to the front, it's easier and lighter. Alright, so maybe this one is more preference stuff. You can try both ways, see which one you're comfortable more. So hook, again the foot, and when I'm about to spin, I'm gonna move my upper body to the front. Alright, and then I'm turn. Now if you're comfortable, you can do the other way, so you can mix and match both sides. So hook, turn, hook, turn, hook, turn, hook, turn. That's it for the inward hook spin, a small little detail that you can add in onto your footwork. Alright, that's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.